After 3 days of heavy rainfall, Jammu city is now limping back to normalcy. Weather has improved and it's a bright sunny day today here in Jammu city. Right now I'm standing on the banks of the Tavi river and behind me you can see the extent of damage that has taken place here. This is a road which is located near the fourth bridge of Tavi river, and this entire stretch has caved in. This road has caved in, and look at the scenes of devastation and destruction. There you see even cars lying over in the rubble. On Tuesday, the water level in the rivers of Jammu region increased and it even crossed the danger mark. People faced a harrowing time, and the floods that were triggered by heavy rains wreaked havoc in many parts of Jammu city. A major portion of the fourth bridge on the Tavi river got washed away. After that, this road also caved in. Even right now you can see that there are major cracks, big cracks on this road, and this portion can also cave in, collapse at any point of time. That's why this stretch of the road has been closed for vehicular movement. The authorities are visiting different areas in Jammu city. They are closely monitoring the situation. But the good thing is that weather has improved and it's helping the rescue teams to carry out their operations. Many houses located in the low-lying areas on the banks of the river got washed away. Houses collapsed due to flood waters. The administration swung into action swiftly and promptly on Tuesday, and the people living in low-lying areas were rescued on time. They were evacuated to safer areas. The Jammu administration even set up temporary relief camps for the people who were evacuated from flood-hit areas. As I said, that weather has improved. It's a bright sunny day in Jammu city, but there are many areas where there is rubble, where there is flood water, and that is why teams from the Jammu Municipal Corporation and other government agencies are visiting different localities. The rubble is being cleared, JCB machines are being sent so that people can heave a sigh of relief and people can get some relief. As you can see that this section of the road has been closed for vehicular movement. There is massive damage to this road as well as to the fourth bridge on the Tavi river. Many officials are visiting this area. They are assessing the situation. Yesterday, Chief Minister Umar Abdullah also visited this site and he took stock of the situation. The government is closely monitoring the situation. Union government is also in constant touch with the J&K administration. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has taken cognizance of the floods in Jammu and Kashmir, and he's continuously getting briefing from the J&K government officials. But I will once again show you the pictures here. See, these big pillars have got collapsed. These big pillars of the fourth bridge on the Tavi river were washed away on Tuesday. There has been massive damage to the fourth bridge as well as to the adjoining roads. Many houses located on the banks of Tavi river got washed away. Many houses collapsed. On this section of the road, vehicular movement is being allowed, but since there are major cracks on this section of the road, that is why these barricades have been laid and no vehicular movement is allowed from this side of the road. As I say that big cracks are still there. This section of the road can also collapse at any point of time. The authorities are issuing advisories to people. Although situation has improved, weather has improved, but the administration has issued strict guidelines to people that people should stay away from rivers and nalas. The good thing in Jammu and Kashmir is that weather has improved, but Jammu-Srinagar National Highway, the lifeline of Jammu and Kashmir, continues to remain shut because there have been landslides and shooting stones at many places. Road has caved in at many places in Ramban, and it's going to take time before vehicular movement can be restored again on Jammu-Srinagar National Highway. A major tragedy occurred on the Yatra track of Mata Vaishno Devi Shrine. There was a major landslide. 34 lives have been lost and many people, many devotees have been injured. They are getting treatment at different hospitals in Katra. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has also expressed his grief and sorrow over the loss of lives. And the J&K administration is now closely monitoring the situation. The good thing is that weather has improved in Jammu and Kashmir, particularly in Jammu city, and people are heaving a sigh of relief. With video journalist Neeraj Kumar, this is Sunil Bhatt reporting from the banks of the Tavi River in Jammu for India Today.